Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Open Settings on your iPhone and tap Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode. Enter your current passcode if prompted to access passcode settings. Tap Turn Passcode on and choose a 6-digit passcode for stronger security. You may select a custom numeric or alphanumeric passcode for added complexity. Enable Require Attention for Face ID if available to prevent spoofing with photos. Set Auto Lock to 30 seconds or 1 minute to reduce unlocked exposure time. Back up your device to iCloud or a computer before changing critical security settings. Use Screen Time to lock individual apps with a passcode on your iPhone. Open Settings, tap Screen Time, then tap Use Screen Time passcode to enable it. Create a 4-digit or 6-digit screen time passcode different from your device passcode. Go to App Limits, add apps or entire categories, and set a 1-minute limit initially. When the limit expires, tap Ask for more time and require the screen time passcode. Use downtime to block apps entirely during schedules like bedtime or work hours. Many apps support Face ID or Touch ID to unlock app content quickly and securely on your iPhone. Open an app like Banking or Password Manager and go to its Settings or Security section. Enable Use Face ID or require Touch ID inside the app and confirm your system prompt. If an app lacks biometrics, enable its internal passcode and choose 4-digit or 6-digit codes. Keep the app updated to latest version so biometric integration remains compatible and secure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.